Add this to a bowl, and you'll notice the effect immediately. Your feet will thank you. In a small pot, add 2 tablespoons of dried oregano. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Pour in 500 milliliters of water and bring it to a boil. Strain the infusion through a sieve to remove the herbs. Now, add 100 milliliters of vinegar. This key ingredient helps cleanse and restore balance to the skin. Then, pour in 1 liter of warm water to reach the perfect temperature. It's time for a foot soak. Place your feet in the bowl and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. You'll see the mixture start to fizz. Soak your feet for about 15 minutes to let the ingredients work their magic. Your feet will feel clean, refreshed, and incredibly light. Use this detoxifying soak regularly to keep your feet healthy and comfortable. In this simple way, you'll cleanse your body of toxins and more. Start by preparing the ingredients. Take a carrot and cut it into thin strips. Do the same with a cucumber, beet, and ginger. The thinner the strips, the better they'll release their nutrients. Finally, slice a lime into rounds to add freshness and a hint of tangy flavor. Take a medium-sized pot and add the carrot, beet, cucumber, ginger, and lime slices. Pour in hot water and let it sit for several minutes until the ingredients release their beneficial properties. Stir everything well. Pour the drink into a glass and enjoy. Feel your body refresh from the inside out. This drink is a true source of vitamins and minerals. Regularly drinking this infusion helps detoxify the body, improve skin appearance, support digestion, and boost energy. Simple, natural, and effective. Try it today and feel the difference. Put bay leaves in your sock. That's what our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't know that bay leaves are useful not only in cooking. If you struggle with joint, foot, or knee pain, they work better than those smelly ointments from the store. Our grandmothers used this method to deal with pain. Just turn your sock inside out and put a few bay leaves inside. Then, go to bed. Thanks to their warming properties, bay leaves relieve rheumatic and arthritic pain. They also provide relief for muscle pain, as well as sprains and strains in the joints. How does it work? The temperature in the sock increases due to contact with the skin. The leaves begin to release their essential oils. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people still have no idea about it and unnecessarily spend a fortune on ointments. Got rid of toenail fungus in just 1 day? Do the same. Start by taking some garlic. It's a natural antibiotic with antifungal and antibacterial properties. Take 2 cloves of garlic and slice them thinly. Then chop them into small pieces. Grab a small bowl and add the chopped garlic. Next, take some ketoconazole ointment. It has strong antifungal properties and effectively eliminates fungi and yeast. Add 2 tablespoons of the ointment into the bowl. Now take some baking soda. Baking soda has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Add 2 tablespoons of it to the bowl as well. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. This combination works on multiple levels thanks to the blend of ingredients. Apply the ready-made paste to your toenails, making sure to cover every infected spot completely. With this powerful remedy, the fungus will be gone in just 1 day. Your face can look several years younger. All it takes is enriching your cream with 2 simple ingredients to greatly boost its effectiveness. Add 2 capsules of vitamin E to half a jar of classic blue Nivea cream. Vitamin E is a strong antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, slows down skin aging, and helps reduce wrinkles. It also supports the skin's natural barrier, keeping it smooth and nourished. The next ingredient is aloe vera gel. Mix it thoroughly with the cream. Aloe supports skin regeneration and, thanks to sterols, stimulates the production of collagen and hyaluronic acid. This mixture enhances the cream's action and provides the skin with valuable nutrients. Apply it daily to your face and décolleté and you'll notice results quickly. Used regularly, it becomes an easy addition to your skincare routine that delivers long-term benefits. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive anti-wrinkle products. Put star anise in a sock. You'll stop spending money on expensive ointments. Most people don't know that star anise is useful not only for cooking. If you're struggling with joint, foot, or knee pain, it works better than smelly ointments from the store. Star anise is a powerful natural remedy, known for its ability to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. All you have to do is put it in your sock. Unroll the sock and place a few star anise flowers inside. Then, lie down to sleep. Star anise contains active compounds like anethole, which help reduce swelling and discomfort in inflamed feet. Additionally, star anise improves blood circulation, providing relief for tired, overworked feet and supporting overall health. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people still don't know about it and unnecessarily spend a fortune on ointments. Natural collagen that will surprise you. Since my grandmother started using it, her wrinkles have literally disappeared. Her skin is now silky smooth. No expensive cosmetics can replace this. Start with parsley. It has properties you've probably never heard of. It contains vitamin C, brightens dark spots, and stimulates the natural production of collagen. Wash a bunch of fresh parsley thoroughly. Add some baking soda and pour in water. Cut off the thick stems and chop the leaves into smaller pieces. Place everything in a pan and add about 500 milliliters of water. Cook on low heat until the water darkens. Blend everything in a tall container until you get a smooth paste. Strain it through a sieve and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cook on low heat until it forms a creamy consistency. Add a few drops of vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe gel. Mix everything together and store in an airtight jar. Apply the homemade cream to the wrinkles around your eyes, hands, décolletage, or dry spots. Gently massage into the skin. After just 1 minute, you'll notice that your skin becomes smooth, firm, and visibly nourished. Use this cream every day. The simplest and most natural things provide the most spectacular results. I always do this before going to bed, and the results in the morning are amazing. It's an American trick that really surprises you. So simple, yet so few people know about it. Pineapple is a popular fruit that's not only delicious, but can also be used in a totally different way. Even the peel is incredibly useful. Start by cutting the pineapple and removing the pulp. Don't throw away the peel, it's essential for this trick. Of course, eat the fruit so nothing goes to waste. Cut the peel into small strips. That's important, as it helps release all the valuable properties inside. Now grab a clean jar and place the chopped peel inside. Pour alcohol over it. It has powerful properties that are perfect for this use. Seal the jar and let it sit for a few hours. Once the liquid is ready, soak a cotton pad in the mixture. Pineapple not only smells amazing, it works surprisingly well with alcohol. Wipe your knees with the soaked pad. The best time to do this is at night, just before bed. By morning, you'll feel a huge difference. Your skin looks noticeably better, and the result is way more impressive than you'd expect from such a simple home trick.